Being perceived positively by others is related to greater power and influence. It may also help employees succeed in political environments. Let's take a look at impression management. Impression management is the process of portraying a desired image or attitude to control the impression others form of us. This does not mean that the presented image is accurate, although misrepresenting your image can backfire if others later learn that the image is false. Impression management is not inherently a bad thing. In fact, most people regularly engage in some form of interpersonal deception. Research has found that 61.5% of people's natural conversation involves some form of deception, and people average 16 white lies over a 2-week period. Self-monitoring means having a high concern for others' perceptions of us and adjusting our behavior to fit the situation. High self-monitors are good at reading situations and adjusting their behavior accordingly to maintain their desired image. Low self-monitors tend to present consistent images of themselves regardless of the situation. People who engage in impression management often take great care to be perceived in a positive light. As a manager, being able to direct others' impression management and deception is obviously useful. Because nonverbal cues are most indicative of deception, focusing on a person's body language is particularly helpful.